Hey, good day to you all. This is the welcome to the first part of the AGS 30 master course. Many asked if I could make a video about the AGS 30, and since Tushino has a pretty realistic AGS 30 mod, I just decided to do one. Bear with me, it is not going to be. I just divided it onto multiple parts because it is not easy. That is the first part. When you do the preparation, everybody just thinks that artillery is something like you just rotate and shoot and whatever. Not really. You need to do a lot of preparation, and here we will do I will show you how to do this preparation. What you need here is obviously your AGS 30. When I'm correcting my fire, I need a drone and also the aiming pole. Let's see what we got here. This is our map and this is our position. You see, I'm not really up the drone. I cannot take out the drone, whatever. It's not realistic, but well, the drone is just showing whatever you do. This is my position, and I'm expecting enemy activity somewhere here on the northwest. And I just want to intercept that and check with my drone what is there in and engage them if they are worth. So what I need, well, I just want to use here my plotter. It is a 6000 plotter, which is much more realistic than the inbuilt game inbuilt. I just did it because this is pretty much the standard issue square plotter what the troops will receive, the field mortar troops will receive to do some map work on the field, because it is sturdy. You know, everybody who was in the military pretty familiar with this. Anyway, so you have this enemy activity here, which is what it is about at the 5,200 map, 5,200 miles of map azimuth. Well, you know that we have magnetic declination, so 5,200 map azimuth will be you need to take 92 off. That would be 5,100 magnetic azimuth. So that is about that direction. So it's about that. We need to orient our AGS 30 to that direction. What is there? You see that those trees over there. Anyway, our AGS is pointing that way, and we need to rotate it that way because the AGS, the tripod, has certain limits in terms of traverse. So you don't really can traverse it 360. You need to approximately get to the desired position, which would be those trees. Anyway, let's take our AGS 30, carry it, and you just rotate it, you see, onto your desired position. That's wonderful. Let's double check it. It's 5,100. That's good. That's the first what you need to do. Well, you might want to find a little less tilt, because the ground is not really forgiving here. Not much success anyway. Let's just put it down. Well, that's the first thing you need to do, is to align your gun roughly to the direction you want to shoot. And now what you need to do is to orient it. Well, not much to orient here too. You see, I'm in the middle of the forest, so I will orient myself to aiming pole. Well, it is also a little trick where you put your aiming pole when using an AGS 30, because you see the optics, the aiming periscope, is on the left side. So you obviously you want to put your aiming pole somewhere on the left side, and that is also one important thing. The aiming periscope, the AGS 30, yeah, the periscope cannot be elevated or depressed. So you need your orientation point be somewhat in level with that. So it's you are looking for a good spot on the left which is visible, and it is somewhat on the same level, because you don't want to be higher and lower than that. You see, like whatever, this should be just fine. So you assemble your aiming pole here and go back not back, a little bit further, because what you need to find now is the azimuth of that aiming pole. Well, here you don't need aiming circle because the handheld compass is just fair enough. You see, by moving left and right, you just align the vertical axis of your aiming periscope and your aiming pole. A little bit left, right. That's fine. That's just it. And you take a reading. That is what 40, 20, 40, 60. It's a little more. 40. Let's see how. Well, 20, 40. 4065, let's say 4065. So we take a note of that our orientation point magnetic azimuth is, wow, how much would that? I just forget everything. Bring up the compass and take, yeah, measure twice and cut once. That's what 40, yeah, 46, 40, 62, 40, 62. So 40, 62 is the magnetic azimuth of our orientation point. Okay. Well, from magnetic azimuth, how do you make map azimuth? Is just you'd add 92 or 5.5 degrees. So you have 40, 62. You add 92, and what you get is 41, 54. So that would be 4154. It is the map azimuth to my orientation point. 4154. Why is it important? Well, because 4154, let me show you. So you just find the 41, it's here. 54, it's 4150, that would be 55, a little bit less, that is 54, 4154. Oh, that is 4154 map azimuth. I just take away my plotter here, and I just draw a big fat line between my position and the, well, the longer it's better because the plotter is pretty big, and that is it. And now I align again my plotter with my position, and you see what I did here is I just find the north, and if I rotate the 3000, the barrel onto the position what I want to intercept, like this enemy activity, on the inner scale here on the line I can read my desired sight azimuth, which would be the 39, but it is counterclockwise, you know, and I'm not looking for the absolute azimuth, the outside scale. I'm looking for the inside scale, my sight azimuth. That would be 39, 40, that is the 40, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, yeah, it is 40, 40. So now if I go back to my AGS and bring up the sight, I set it for, you see I'm not rotating only the sight to 40, 40. 4007, 40, 40, and well, that's well, that's higher anyway. Anyway, you just get the idea. My aiming pole is a little bit higher than it should be. I hardly see it, but anyway, it would just be, I think, enough, because I see on the top of it. Wonderful. So now I'm at 4140. but I don't want to be at 4140. I want to be at 4040. Oh, that's the beauty, 4040. That is the beauty of manual artillery. You can make mistakes. 4040, and you just rotate 4040 on your aiming pole. And what also you need to know with the insert and delete key, you need to level your sight. Either way, that it will be somewhat leveled. You see, now it is leveled because this horizontal bubble is, as you see, moving. Now it is in the middle, and now I'm fine. I'm at I should be at my desired azimuth, so my barrel should be looking at the enemy activity here. If I am at 4040, let me double check. That's 39, that is 40, and that is 1, 2, 3, 40, 40. That's just fine. Okay, that's just fine. How do I check it? Well, there is a trick to check it. You just look into the barrel's direction on the map, and you see it is aligned. So I just did a fine job. So that is the preparation you make with the AGS 30 to prepare it for some kind of indirect fire. I hope you enjoyed it, and on the next part we will discuss how to find the solution for our given target. Bye.